The SEC is now investigating on Coinbase and Binance, the two biggest crypto exchanges. What's it going to do with Bitcoin and Ethereum prices? Let me share that with you. Okay, I'm going to start off with the commitment of trader. I said multiple times, this tracks the smart money on cryptocurrency. This is the commitment of trader commercial position. So commercial player are the smart money. Red line represent the short contract. Okay, so you can see last week the data show they are now putting more money on shorting Bitcoin. Green line represent the long contract. They are dropping, so they're not putting the money to buy Bitcoin at the moment. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin technical chart from TradingView. It is a very sophisticated platform that I use for my trading stuff. You can see prices of Bitcoin still hovering around the $26,000 area, but there's no buying momentum at all. We have got a daily downtrend at the moment, so you can see like this. I expect price will break 25 and stay below. I'll look to be a seller, so I'll be shooting Bitcoin back down to around the 19-20k area. Let's have a quick look on Coinbase first, the stock. Again, prices is now making a daily downtrend, so if it can't regain $55, I'll use it to my advantage to short Bitcoin. I might even short Coinbase back down to 36 depending on the price action, which I'll show you in a moment how do I plan to do that. Binance as well, let's have a look at the Binance coin, BNB coin, US dollar. You can see it's been tanking. I've got a box area here, so around the $170, $180 area. If this support doesn't hold, Binance BNB could drop a lot lower, back down to around the 36 maybe. That's just a technical view. Can it find support around this area? I don't know. But if it's dropped below to around the $36, it will be my interest to buy some as a longer term investment on BNB. Would you guys invest in BNB because of the news? Drop a comment and let me know. Finally, I want to have a quick look on Ethereum before I show you how I'm going to short Bitcoin or Coinbase. Ethereum is now holding at a key level of support, okay, around the 1700 area. I said multiple times, if it drop below, it open up a lot more room to the downside. So I'll look to be a seller at least back down to around the 1300 area. Okay, so that's the short-term view. I'm bearish on cryptocurrency, and I'm going to now show you my plan how to short it. Okay, this is our recommended broker, IG. They're fantastic. You have all the major cryptocurrency to trade. You can short it. So while we are bearish, you can't make money buying it and holding it, hoping it will go higher, but you can short it. So how do we do that? Say, for instance, I already said if price drop below the 25, come back for a retest, a good price action, I will look to short it. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so this is how you open a trade. If I open a trade at around 25k area to short Bitcoin, 1,000 points as my stop loss, £3,000 is my risk, and then go back down to around 20k, you can see you can bank 500%, so 16,000. So this is how I use to hedge when I'm not investing on Bitcoin. If you'd like to learn more about trading investing, make sure you follow our channel. Thank you very much for watching.